Welcome guys, and in today's quick tip video, I want to answer a question I get quite often, and I know it's coming from our beginners who just want to confirm they're doing things correctly, and that question is, let's say I start a tattoo and I load a lining cartridge, right? I got a liner in here. I grab some ink. Bam, here I go. I'm going to work. I'm tattooing, right? So you're done with the liner for now, and you want to start using your mag to do some shading. So first thing we're going to do is take that out, set it over here. Now, I don't have to dispose of that right now. I might come back and use that again, but right now I'm going to be using this mag because I'm going to be doing some shading. So we load the mag in, turn it on. We make any adjustments we might need here to get our needle to the right depth that we want. We go ahead and we do our shading. Okay, all good there. Now we want to continue lining. All we do is take that needle cartridge out, set it off to the side on our workstation, grab that original needle, that liner that we started with, load that back in, and go to town working, okay? And you can go back and forth and back and forth. You can have 15 different needles laid out here. You can go through all of them. You don't have to throw them away just because you take them out of your machine. Set them on your work area, use the different tools you need. But remember, when you're all said and done, all of them need to be disposed of properly in a sharps container. So I hope this video helped you out if you had this question. And if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell to get notifications when I post. And until next time, guys, peace.